Welcome to Explain the Charts, where we dissect market data to help you make informed trading decisions. Today, September 30th, we're focusing on Apple stock, APL, a company at the forefront of the tech world. The recent release of the iPhone 16, along with news about component production issues in India and Apple's ambitious AI endeavors, has sparked significant interest in the market. To begin our analysis, let's take a look at the daily chart, which provides a broad overview of AAPL's price action over the past few months. Firstly, we can see that Apple has been consolidating in a tight range between $220 and $230 for the last few weeks, suggesting a period of indecision and uncertainty among traders. This consolidation could be a sign of a potential breakout or breakdown in the near future, making it crucial to watch for a decisive move in either direction. Now, let's zoom in on the 1-hour chart to gain a better understanding of the recent price action. The 1-hour chart reveals that Apple has been trading above its 20-period moving average, indicating potential bullish momentum. However, we can also observe that the price has encountered resistance at the $225 level, which could suggest a potential short-term reversal. The volume on these recent candles is also increasing, suggesting heightened interest from traders. Let's examine the 15-minute chart for a more granular perspective on the recent price movement. The 15-minute chart shows that Apple has been experiencing a series of higher highs and higher lows, further supporting the notion of bullish momentum. However, there have also been periods of consolidation within this upward trend, indicating potential resistance levels. We can see that the price has struggled to break above the $228 level several times, indicating a potential short-term ceiling. The news about the iPhone 16 launch initially created a surge in AAPL's price, with traders expecting strong sales and continued growth. However, reports of lackluster pre-orders, followed by a fire at a Tata Electronics plant in India that halted production of iPhone components, have led to some concerns. The Indian market is becoming increasingly important for Apple, and this production issue could potentially disrupt their growth strategy. Additionally, some investors are wondering about the actual impact of Apple's AI capabilities, with some analysts predicting a significant upside, while others believe the hype is overblown. The recent consolidation on the daily chart could be attributed to this conflicting sentiment in the market. Traders are trying to assess the impact of these events on Apple's long-term performance, and this uncertainty is reflected in the current price range. The key takeaway from the news is that the market is focused on Apple's AI ambitions and their potential to drive future growth. This is a crucial element to watch closely, as it could potentially influence the direction of the stock in the coming months. Looking at the 1-hour chart, we can see that Apple has tested the $225 resistance level several times, but has failed to break through consistently. This suggests that traders are hesitant to push the price higher, as they are still uncertain about the long-term impact of the news. It's important to note that the volume has been increasing on these recent candles, suggesting that traders are taking notice of this resistance level. If Apple manages to break above $225 decisively, it could signal a continuation of the bullish momentum. Zooming in on the 15-minute chart, we can see that Apple has consistently been forming higher highs and higher lows, indicating bullish momentum. However, there have also been periods of consolidation within this trend, suggesting that traders are taking profits at certain price levels. The $228 level has been a major resistance level for Apple in recent days, as the price has struggled to break through this point consistently. If Apple manages to overcome this resistance level, it could signal a continuation of the upward trend. To further illustrate this point, let's narrow down our focus on the 15-minute chart and examine the candles from the past 3 hours. This time frame shows a clear upward trend, with Apple breaking through several resistance levels. However, we can also observe a pullback towards the $227 level, indicating potential profit-taking from traders. This pullback could be a healthy correction before the price continues its upward trajectory. In conclusion, Apple is currently in a period of consolidation, but there are clear signs of bullish momentum on the shorter timeframes. The $225 level on the 1-hour chart and the $228 level on the 15-minute chart are key resistance levels to watch closely. If Apple manages to break through these levels decisively, it could signal a continuation of the upward trend. On the other hand, a failure to break through these resistance levels could indicate a potential short-term reversal. Furthermore, the market is closely watching Apple's AI ambitions, and any news or developments related to this could have a significant impact on AAPL's price action. It's important to stay informed about the latest news and events surrounding Apple, as they could influence the direction of the stock.